CEM5 is a high-performance composite cement created for durability, sustainability, and advanced construction applications. CEM5 is a blended cement made from clinker, blast furnace slag, and pozzolanic materials. Gypsum is a small but crucial additive.
It is categorized into two main subtypes, CEM V/A and CEM VB.
CEM 5/A includes 40 to 64% clinker, combined with 18 to 30% slag, and/or pozzolanic materials such as natural pozzolana or silica fume.
CEM 5B is even more sustainable, containing only 20 to 38% clinker and a high proportion, 31 to 50%, of slag and/or pozzolana.
CEM V Cement provides excellent resistance to chemical attack, low heat of hydration, and long-term strength.
CEMV is ideal for bridges, marine structures, mass concrete works, foundations, and water-retaining structures.
These benefits make CEM 5 one of the most sustainable and high-performance cement types.
Subscribe for more educational videos on cement and construction.